Hello, so this company called Bondidea sent me their wireless ring mouse to review for you. So this is basically, as the name suggests, just a very small wireless mouse that you wear on your finger. And that's good because it allows you to control things like PowerPoint presentations or movies when you're watching them, or anything you can do with a normal mouse, but really easily from just one of your fingers basically. And I'll show you some demonstrations of how you can use this in a minute. But let's open the box and see what you get inside. So inside this rather nice packaging, we've got this little plastic insert which contains the ring mouse itself and also the wireless USB adapter which you can plug into a Windows machine or a Mac to control the ring mouse. We also have the micro USB to USB charging cable and a little manual as well. Quite a comprehensive instruction booklet which shows you everything you need to know about using the mouse, and also in several different languages. There is a driver CD in here, but to be honest this works plug and play with my Mac and also with my Windows 10 machine. So the actual ring mouse itself, if I take it out, just falls out like that. You can see obviously it looks a little bit like a ring, and on the top of it here we have this sort of thing with the little dots on it, which is actually like a sort of trackpad, and we have these 4 buttons as well, which behave as sort of mouse clicking things, or you can actually program individual buttons to have different controls on your PC. And on the side of it here we have the charging port and the on and off button. And obviously because of this ring design not being a closed loop, if you like, it will fit a wide variety of fingers. And you can see that when I've got it on my hand like that, it's very discreet and just looks like a sort of rubber ring basically. There are several ways that you could use this mouse. One way is to just basically control it with your thumb like that. An alternative is to wear it on a finger, clasp your hands together like that and use it like that. So it's kind of very versatile and it's very light. It's very good that you can store it on your finger because it means you're not going to lose it. It's also discreet. It looks more professional if you were going to be using this in a presentation. So really, this is a really good portable mouse. This wireless mouse uses radio rather than Bluetooth, and it's got a working distance of 10 meters, which should be enough for any use. So to use the ring mouse, we just plug in the USB adapter like so, turn the ring mouse on, and now with the ring mouse on my finger like I would wear a ring, if I just run my thumb over this pad here, and the mouse moves around the screen on the Mac. And the way it's set up by default on my Mac, this top button is the left mouse button, as is the middle button here. The right button here is the right click, and this bottom button by default acts as expose. So if I press that, you can see it's activating expose on my Mac. So I can be incredibly lazy, lying in bed, and just using the ring mouse, move over to the play button, press the middle button, and start playing. You can also use it to control PowerPoint presentations in a really discreet and professional looking way, just like a weather forecaster. And if this was plugged into a Windows computer and I installed the driver software, I would actually be able to change the functions of the buttons to do whatever I wanted. So for $28.99, as a very small portable mouse for controlling PowerPoint presentations and movies while you're sitting in bed, this is great. I really like this ring idea actually. It's light, and obviously by storing it on your finger like this, you're not going to lose it. If you're sitting in bed or whatever, you know exactly where it is so you can control your movies. It also looks professional as well, so if you're doing a PowerPoint presentation, so it almost looks like magic when you're controlling your PowerPoint slides or whatever. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to be in with the chance of winning one of 2 Apple Watch clones when I hit 5,000 subscribers. See you next time for another unboxing and review.